Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. After studying Thales theorem and examples involving Thales theorem, now in this video let us study about theorem number 2, which is very important to the point of view of your examination. The statement of the theorem is the areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the square of their corresponding sides. This is the statement of the theorem. Now let us prove this theorem. Draw two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, triangle ABC data given, triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. Okay, two triangles are similar, it is given. When the triangles are similar, then according to the definition of similarity of triangles, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So that is AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Okay, now to prove that, what is to be proved? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square upon EF square. This is what we have to prove. Now construction, draw AL perpendicular onto BC and draw DM perpendicular onto EF. Draw AL perpendicular BC and DM perpendicular EF. Let us write the proof of the theorem. So consider these two triangles ALB and DME. So by considering these two triangles, let us prove that the two triangles are similar. So in these two triangles, in triangles ALB and DME, angle B is equal to angle E. This is from data. Why they are equal? Because triangles are similar, isn't it? When the triangles will be similar, if the triangles are equiangular, hence angle B must be equal to angle E, and angle L is equal to angle M is equal to 90 degrees. This is from construction, because AL is perpendicular on BC and DM is perpendicular on EF. So these two angles are, the pair of angles are equaling, therefore triangle ALB must be similar to triangle DME by angle criterion. Okay, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore AL upon DM is equal to AB upon D. AL upon DM is equal to AB upon D. But we know that AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. Isn't it? This is from data. AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. Here AB upon DE is equal to AL upon DM. Same AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF. Therefore AL upon DM must be equal to BC upon EF. Right, AL upon DM is equal to BC upon EF. Now let us make use of the formula to find the area of triangle. What is the formula? A is equal to half BH, that is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Let us make use of that formula. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to half 1 upon 2 into what is the base of ABC? BC into what is the height or altitude? AL. BC into AL upon, for this triangle, 1 upon 2 into EF, that is base, into DM, that is altitude, or you may say height. Okay, now half got cancelled. Let us separate them, BC upon EF into AL upon DM. Okay, that is equals to BC upon EF into, in place of AL upon DM, let us write its value which we got earlier, that is BC upon EF. So in place of AL upon DM, let us write BC upon EF. Now BC into BC, BC square upon multiply EF, you will be getting EF square. Hence area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square upon EF square. This is how we prove the theorem, the areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the square of their corresponding sides. BC upon EF, BC square upon EF square. In place of BC square upon EF square, you may take AB square upon DE square also, or else you may go for AC square upon DF square also. This is very important theorem. You please learn this theorem. It carries 4 marks in your examination. Now from next videos, let us solve very interesting and very important examples based on this theorem number 2. Thank you.